Today we'll show you how to link your account with CFX of FiveM. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your FiveM application and go to link account here. Click with the left and go to sign in with CFX. Click with the left and wait a few seconds. And now, okay, we are now open a Google Chrome and CFX forum. Okay, just now you can click with Google or with Patreon or with you have a passkey, but we need now with open with the Google just for the test. Okay, just we now test. Click with the left and we choose email this. Okay, and now go to this, click in authorize and now open FiveM. Finally, now we have our account here in CFX of FiveM. So guys, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.